We will now search for stocks that are trending. I'm on the research page and I'm going to use a pre-created scan called NSE Zero Line Crossover. It's a scan that finds all the stocks where the low price is at least 10 rupees and daily volume is at least 1 lakh shares per day. It will show 500 shares per page when it gets displayed. The report gets displayed. Further, the MACD should have crossed zero line in a bullish manner anytime in the last 500 days and has stayed above zero line in that period. I now click View Report and let Search Stocks find stocks that have an upward trend for me. On this page, you are seeing 4 charts for the indices on the top. The first is the Sensex, then you have Dow Jones, and for each of these indices, there's analysis that shows broad trend in the index level and the recommended action as decided by the rules that are set by you, the user. Now the stocks have loaded on this page. This page has about 500 stocks that were selected based on the scan criteria. You can now further narrow down from these 500 stocks using column filters. The speed indicator shows the relative speed of growth of a stock. There is also an acceleration indicator. Speed and acceleration are our innovations, our secret sauce. Other filters such as close minus 5-day moving average or close minus 50-day moving average show differences for those. And then there are filter criteria for others such as how many days the stock has been above zero line, MACD zero line, by what percentage has the stock changed value in last 2 days, by what percentage the stock has changed in last 5 days, etc. Yesterday's volume and yesterday's close price, the average 50-day price and average 50-day volume. Now I want to find only stocks with high speed growth so I can study them for buy or no buy decision. I set speed of more than 2 and acceleration of more than 2 and also histogram count from MACD as less than being 4. I want to now see those stocks that match these column filters. So I click In Choice button, meaning the stocks that match the criteria of speed 2 and acceleration 2 will be shown here. I have found high speed stocks, but they are not yet sorted. So I'll now sort them by speed. Here, Texmo Pipes has a speed of 14 and acceleration of 39. It went up by 96% in the last 1 month. It has a sudden change around here this time. The chart shows 4 lines. MACD line is blue. Signal line is orange. This gives quick understanding on trend. Weekly close is a blue line and then dark green is a daily price line. And it shows the price in the last 20 days. This shows the price in last 20 weeks. This is MACD over last 20 days and signal line over last 20 days. Using this chart, you can quickly get a feel about how the stocks are moving over 20 weeks and over 20 days, giving you a short-term and medium-term view on the stock. This stock here looks interesting to me. So I study more by clicking on screener.in or Yahoo Finance, or also create my own watch list, either long-term watch list or short-term watch list, and add that stock to that list. Or add that stock to a specific note in my note. So when I open the portfolio page, I get to see that note I made to myself for this specific stock. This is all it took to basically find Shriram Multitech Limited as a potential stock I could investigate, and then if it looks right, I could decide to buy. I can find more details on Yahoo Finance for the stock of Shriram Multitech. Notice that the upward trend line in stock has recently started. So it hasn't really grown that much. This is the power of Saral stocks. This is how quickly you can discover a stock and add to your watch list or note for yourself for tomorrow's action. There are a lot of other stocks it found. You can study more, for example, on Kirloskar Brothers to see that it has consistent trend in the recent past. The list of stocks will change daily, and even if you study these stocks on weekends, you will be able to identify long trending stocks for buying. If the details are too many, you can change the columns that get displayed, or you can change their sequence. Please continue exploring features of Saral stocks. Thank you.